Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the WhatsApp communities for better group management. So let's get started. So what are the WhatsApp communities? This is a community that lets you bring together related groups like different classes, departments, project teams, and includes a main announcement group and multiple subgroups for specific topics. Let's get started. So first, all you need to do is to open the WhatsApp and tap the Communities tab. Then start a community. Then here you can add a community name, description, profile photo, and tap Next. Then you can add existing groups or create a new ones. And you're done. You have now a centralized space to manage related conversation. And this communities has a main features and benefits. This is for announcement groups, for subgroups, admin control, member management, and privacy. And only community members can see and interact. Admins control who joins and what groups are visible, and who you should use the WhatsApp communities. You can use the WhatsApp communities for schools, work teams, event planners, and online sellers. And use a clear group names for easy navigation, pin important messages in announcement group, and keep things organized. And that's it. With communities, WhatsApp becomes popular group management tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.